I am. I've been at my new campsite at this RV resort for a few days, and so far I have had to spend some extra money because, as I am finding out, having my wood stove is not enough for winter RV living, because it's not camping anymore. I'm not here for a day or two or a weekend. I'm living this way, and I'm staying at this site for the entire winter. So I had to make a few preparations that I want to share with you. And today I have received my new water hose. The difference between this water hose and a regular one is this one is heated. I never had one, I never needed one. But now it is the only way to get water running into the RV during freezing temperatures that I have already experienced. So I'm gonna open the box and show you, of course.
Ain't no breath in my lungs that ever came to me easy before any song was sung.
Alright, here is our beautiful heated water hose. This is the new one. So let's go and install it. Here's the hose and instructions. So far I can see it's very self-explanatory. It's a hose. The one ends up here. And this is my regular hose, and it was frozen. I'm gonna turn on the water and see if it's started or not. See, I turn on the water, but I think it's still frozen. Yeah, there's the water. I can hear it, but see, it can barely come out. Still frozen. Okay, that's good now. All right. So now I have to disconnect it. As you can tell, I already winterized and protected the faucet. What I did is I have another heating cable here. So you wrap it around the pipe and you secure it with aluminum tape. Nothing else, because it's gonna warm up. Then I added 2-inch foam insulation, and then again wrap with the aluminum tape. Now I'm gonna disconnect the water, the regular water hose, and install my new one. Let me look at the instructions. Just making sure that this is very tight. I really like these gloves because they're rubber. Okay, now everything is turning, so I think it's all the way up there. Now let's do the other end. Oh wait, I think I forgot this. I think it needs to go inside first. Oopsie, oopsie. Read the instructions, Claudia. So I'm thinking that this part for here, aren't they? I think so. So that means I have to pass the cord first. That's what the picture shows. So let's do it. I think that's what I'm supposed to be doing. It didn't say anything. It's just in there. But it makes sense to me. Extra protection, you know? Okay, let me put this gloves back on before I lose them. Okay. Let's see. Do this again. Come on. Are you going? Are you going here? Alright. There's another chance. I'm gonna do this way. And I'm going to go as high as I can without it. Okay. Now you core. Go this way. See, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Okay. Let's do the other end. Just right here. And I'm gonna put this foam cover over it. And the instruction says to leave the thermostat in the area that gets the coldest, which is usually by the faucet. But since the faucet already has a thermostat, I'm going to leave it on this end. So each end has a thermostat. The hose also comes with a male connector, this one, so you can put it in either end. So I have it on this end. Actually, let's see if I can do it here easier first. It is recommended that if the temperature outside is 50 degrees or below, you plug in the hose to warm it up and coil it after it's warm, so it's easier. And then unplug it, of course, to proceed with the installation. Seems pretty snug. Now we're gonna do this end. Kind of stiff because it's cold and you can preheat it, which I did, but it's getting colder. So I'm not gonna put this sleeve over until I'm sure there's no leaks. And now I'm gonna turn on the water and check for leaks. Woo! So it's leaking everywhere. I hope that this is gonna work. This is plumber's tape, but it's a mess. And it's also a mess to work with it. So I don't know what else to do. Just see if this is gonna fix it. Let's try it. Why are you leaking? I see the ring there. I don't understand. Why did you want to... We'll see. I don't know anymore. So it was leaking again, and now I'm wondering if the ring that comes with inside is not all the way down, because it's leaking here at the bottom. So I'm gonna unscrew it, push the ring to the base of this and see if that's the case. I don't know what else to do, because I don't know why is this leaking. It shouldn't be leaking. And I see the ring is fine. I don't understand. I don't understand. Why are we leaking? It's just leftover tape. Why are we doing this, huh? Not cool. Not cool at all. And if this doesn't work, I am gonna be so frustrated. You see, the ring is fine. So I don't know. Why? I'm gonna add some more tape. I'm going nuts. So sometimes less is more. I had wrapped everything on the plumber's tape, but I have put too much, and that's why it wasn't sealing properly. So I removed it all, and now it's good to go. So now I'm going to push this sleeve farther to so protect it. There. So this is supposed to go, and this is the thermostat. They're supposed to be left hanging like that because that's gonna control the temperature when it turns on and off. So I'm gonna do the same on the other end with the sleeve. I'm gonna make it all the way up like that. And again, this is the thermostat for the faucet. So now I should not have any frozen pipes anymore. Now I'm gonna connect it to power and let it do its magic. Here it is. Oh, it's getting windy and cold. I mean, it's already freezing. There we go. The light is on. So now the outside should be all good with my heated pipe and this. Whew. All right, so here's the final setup. I push the sleeve all the way up. Same here. The sleeve is all the way in. So this is my final. Actually, I kind of want to do this curtain for the RV. So I'm still thinking and considering ideas. The Camco heated drinking water hose has that thermostat, which is that little wire at the end, and that thermostat will turn on when the temperatures go down to 47 degrees Fahrenheit and 8 degrees Celsius, and it will turn itself off at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 13 degrees Celsius. So that was the installation of the Camco heated drinking water hose. And I will continue to share my winter prep tips and whatever I learn, because this is my first real big winter where I really need to prepare for it because the temperatures are gonna be below zero. And I will continue to share tips as I learn them. Thank you for watching. And please come back for the next one. Ciao. Mwah.